Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Naim Nazali, and I'm going to present about firefighting system, active. My teammate is Idham Asyraf bin Rafie. Okay, the first slide, introduction of active fire protection. Active fire protection refers to system and equipment that are designed to actively detect, control and suppress fire in the event of an emergency, like alarm. More firefighter or police or JPAM use that. These systems are typically activated automatically when a fire is detected, and they require some form of action to operate effectively. Like they detect a smoke detector from the ceiling, usually at place like mall, public school, and other than that. The goal of active fire protection is to mitigate the impact of a fire, minimize property damage, and most importantly, ensure the safety of occupants within a building or space. Importance of active fire protection in building safety. Active fire protection play a crucial role in building safety by providing immediate and dynamic response to fire incident. Unlike passive fire protection measures, which are designed to contain or slow the spread of fire, active fire protection involves system and equipment that actively detect, control and suppress fire. Main group under which active precaution must be considered. First, installation of an alarm and detecting system to give warning of the outbreak. This is important to all building that people always visit, such as airport, mall, school, and any other place that people always come with their family or friends. Second, installation and equipment for automatic fire extinction. Any building should have equipment for automatic fire extinction because it's important to delay the time the fire spread around. Third, provide for facility to assist the fire service, and fourth, provision of first aid firefighting equipment, because if there an injury, we can hold their injured before the medic come. Okay, system based on material, divide two group. First group was gas suppression system, and second, smoke and fire detection. The gas suppression system is automatic sprinkler system, water spray system, deluge system, wet riser system, hydraulic hose reel system, and hydrant system. Next, smoke and fire detection, ionization detector, optical detector, heat detector, beam detector, line detector, infrared detector, flame detector. Most of them detector. Any building should install this material, because before the building want to construct, they need to have permission from firefighter for safety of the building. Next, system based on material. Same like before, have two group. First, foam suppression system, high expansion foam and low expansion foam. Second, premix form. And water suppression system, halogenate, hydrocarbon. CO2 system, CO2 is carbon dioxide. Halon alternative. This is the schedule portable extinguisher, which is have four type. They have water, foam spray, ABC powder, carbon dioxide, wet chemical. Not all the same, and not all building have the same extinguisher, because like what about to say, school mostly use a water extinguisher. Okay, next. House rail. Firefighter equipment use a first aid measure by reading occupants' location in a recess along corridors. Length provided with up to 45 meter of reinforced rubber hose to cover 800 meter square floor area per installation. A range of hose rails is available, including manual and automatic, fixed swinging, recessed, and come with detachable mounting plate for fast installation by one person. Lastly, I want to tell about hose rail. There are three types of hose rail. First, the fixed manual hose rail. Second, swinging manual hose rail, and the last one is recessed manual hose rail. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Idham. I will continue this presentation about active firefighting system. Riser wet. A wet riser is a component of a fire protection system designed to supply water to multiple points within a building in the event of a fire. It is a type of active fire protection system commonly used in larger buildings, especially those with multiple floors. The wet riser system helps firefighters quickly access water on various levels of a building, facilitating and suppression of fires. The first one, the component of the wet riser is vertical piping system. A wet riser system consists of a vertical pipe or pipes that run vertically through the building, connecting various levels. These pipes are pressurized and filled with water at all times. The second is water inlets. Typically, there are water inlets located in the ground floor or at an accessible entry point for fire department personnel. Firefighters can connect their hoses to these inlets to access the water supply in the riser. 3. Outlet valve. At each floor or zone of the building, there are outlet valves connected to the wet riser. These outlets are equipped with valves that can be opened to allow the flow of water to hoses or other firefighting equipment. Hose reels and hydrants. Hose reels or hydrants are attached to the outlet valve, providing a ready source of water for firefighting. Firefighters can quickly connect their hoses to these outlets to access water through suppressing fire. 5. Pressure maintenance. The wet riser system is pressurized to ensure that water can be delivered efficiently to any part of the building. The pressure of typically maintained by a pump or other means to ensure a reliable water supply in case of a fire. 6. Regular maintenance and testing. It's crucial to conduct regular maintenance and testing of the wet riser system to ensure its functionality. This may include checking of leaks, testing the pressure, and verifying that all valves and outlets are operational. Dry riser. A dry riser is another component of a fire protection system. and it serves a similar purpose to a wet riser in that it facilitates the delivery of water to various points within a building during a fire emergency. However, unlike a wet riser, a dry riser is not constantly filled with water. Instead, it remains dry under normal conditions and it only charged with water when needed in the event of a fire. There are 6 items or components in dry riser. The first one is vertical piping system. Similar to a wet riser, a dry riser consists of a vertical pipe or pipes that run vertically through the building, connecting different levels. These pipes are typically empty or dry under normal circumstances. The second one is inlet connection. At the ground floor or an accessible entry point, there is an inlet connection that allows firefighters to connect their hoses to the dry riser system. This inlet is typically equipped with a fire department connection, FDC, for easy access. 3. Outlet valve. Like a wet riser, a dry riser has outlet valves located at various floors or zones of the building. These outlets are connected to the dry riser and equipped with valves that can be opened to allow the flow of water to firefighting equipment. 4. Air release valve. Since the dry riser is typically empty, there is an air release valve at the top of the riser to allow air to escape when the system is charged with water. This helps ensure effective water flow during firefighting operations. 5. Pressure maintenance. In the event of a fire, the dry riser is charged with water from an external water source, such as a fire truck or a dedicated water supply. This is done through the inlet connection. The system may also have a pressure maintenance device to ensure adequate pressure for firefighting. The last one, regular maintenance and testing. As with wet risers, regular maintenance and testing are essential to ensure the functionality of the dry riser system. This may include checking for leaks, testing the pressure, and verify the operation of valve and outlets. Sprinkler. A sprinkler system is a type of fire protection system that uses a network of pipes, sprinklers, and other components to automatically detect, control, and extinguish or suppress a fire in its early stages. Sprinkler systems are a crucial component of building fire safety, providing an active means of protection against the spread of fire. There are various types of sprinkler system, but the most common in the wet pipe sprinkler system. There are 4 components. There are 5 components in sprinkler piping system. The system includes a network of pipes that are filled with water at all times, hence often wet pipe. These pipes are usually installed throughout the building, including areas such as ceilings and concealed spaces. Sprinkler heads. Sprinkler heads are devices attached to the piping system that are strategically placed throughout the building and are designed to release water when activated by heat. Each sprinkler's head operates independently, responding only to the heat in its immediate vicinity. 3. Water supply. The water supply for the system can come from the municipal water source or an on-site water storage tank. In some cases, a fire pump may be used to ensure adequate water pressure in the sprinkler system. 4. Heat detection. Sprinkler heads are activated when a certain temperature is reached. Different sprinklers may have different temperature ratings, allowing a variation based on the fire risk in the specific areas. Activation of typically caused by the heat from a fire, not by smoke, ensuring a rapid response to the actual presence of flames. And the last one, alarm valve. The system often includes an alarm valve that detects water flow in the sprinkler system. When water flows through the system, it triggers an alarm notifying building occupant and emergency services of a potential fire. Fire detector. A fire detector is a device designed to sense the presence of fire or smoke and, in some cases, heat. These detectors are critical component of fire protection and safety systems, providing early warning to occupant and triggering the activation of the fire safety measures such as alarms, sprinklers, or suppression system. The first one, smoke detector. The second one is heat detectors. The third one is combination detectors. Next, flame detectors, gas detectors, and the last one, aspirating smoke detectors. And for the conclusion, active fire protection. Active fire protection systems work in conjunction with passive fire protection measures, such as fire-resistant building materials and structural features. Together, these measures aim to prevent the spread of fire, protect lives, and reduce property damage. Regular maintenance, testing, and inspection of active fire protection systems are essential to ensure their reliability in an emergency. Thank you, and that's all from us.